Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Peter. In this video I'll be teaching you how we'll be recreating this particular flyer. So it's not my original design, it's by Charles Visuals. I just saw it, I just thought of adding my own thought into it. Okay, so this is the design. By the way, if you join me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. So all I just did is, I don't want this design to be too long, so I just helped myself with, just decided to the date and the location, but I'll just show you how I did it anyway. So for sponsorship, let me just copy it, increase it. So the font I made use. So before we go on, I just want to let you know I'll be hosting a graphic design training on how you can design using your smartphone. If you want to boost your graphic design skill, or you're just starting out, then this course is for you. It's supposed to be a training, so if you're watching this video, depending on when you're watching the video, the course will be available for you. You can get it 2005. You can get it before I increase the price. So we're using application like IBX Paint, X, Photoshop, Touch, and Pixellab. I'll show you how I make compelling design using my smartphone, something like even this one, and many more on this one and the likes. You'll be seeing them on your screen just like using your smartphone. Alright, let's continue. Was poppins. Okay, that is it. After I finished typing it, then I now highlighted my text like this, and I use regular. Yeah, so that's why you see the top is bold, the other is bold. Why for this RCCG, the Redeemed Christian Church of God, I used a simple regular. You can try play among them, be a medium or regular, or medium can be okay. Then the alignment for this one, this is for this sponsorship is like this. Why for the RCCG is left alignment, while for sponsorship is right alignment. Also, you can see for this this fellowship center. So for this fellowship center, we used medium. You can use a single font. Maybe probably just use medium all through. This. Oh, let me just delete this fellowship center. I'll copy it. So just use medium. So probably for if you just want to highlight anything like that. So there are ways you can highlight, that is, you are showcasing something different in your design. It's either you use, if your font, like you see I'm using regular, medium here, and you just come here and highlight. You see I'm actually showing that one is different from the, but actually I'm not using this one now. So you can, but in this place I use color to actually indicate the difference. You can see I used a different color. Let me see. So that was the color. That's how I just came here and I highlighted this fellowship center. You can see that's how I highlighted it here to make it like different from here. Then I reduce the size. The size was 13. Okay, let's look at for sponsorship too. What was the size? 13. So the RCCG, you can see the Redeemed Christian Church of God is everything is capital letter. I've explained it before. Now you can see this Thursday, the same thing. You can just type it. After you typing it, once you notice that maybe you are typing it and everything is not taking a turn, the same shape, just change everything to white. Then after you finish typing, now just go and highlight it and make it yellow. That's particular yellow. So this, for this my one, let me duplicate it. So the opacity I reduced to 90, it was not actually of no use, it's just my own choice anyway. So I changed the color. You come to color, by default is white, so you come to color and give it either brown or this one. So let me get rid of that. So having explained those ones, so I use my grid. I just position my grid here and I position my grid here, because you don't want your text be passing those lines. It will not look, your work will not look professional. In case you just upload it to some website and your text is passing that website, it will just be cut off and your work will not look good. Those are one of the mistakes I made when I started out as a graphic designer. So okay, let's use this one, 1:1. This is it. Okay, so I'll just click on, then I'll just come to relative size and increase it to 100/100. Then I'll just come here. Okay, so I'll send it to the back. It took me a while before I could get this image. So let's come to this image. However, I'm going to just leave it like that. Let's see. No, don't want to tamper with the brightness. Just leave it like that because I've already touched work on it on Photoshop. So I'll try and increase this one too. So I'll reduce the opacity. So you see that it's no longer appearing blowy. So that's why I'm actually making it blowy. Well, let me duplicate it. If I reduce the opacity, and you can see the way it is actually blowy to show you that it's not filling position well correctly. So the way I'm reducing the opacity, so I can actually see it that is appearing blowy. So if it's not appearing blowy, I have to get rid of it. I'm actually seeing a mistake there, a slight error. Okay, cool, it's perfect. I'm still seeing it a bit. Alright, let's just manage it like this. Don't want this video to be very long. We can manage it like that. So the next thing is this the believers culture. Let me just come to my gallery and bring in there's this particular dove that I use. So let me change the color to, you can just click on plus, come to this, then go beside the boat. You can pick that color and just come here and just use it like this. Okay, cool. We'll leave that one there. Believers. The believers culture. Alright, so the font I made use of was, I came to color, then I came here and I just came here. Okay, let's use this one beside that boat. Okay, cool. So I used the font Bubble Boom. So I increase the size, the line spacing. I couldn't get the exact font used. The person I'm recreating his design, I couldn't get the exact font he used. So, but however, this is still going to work. Good. So we'll position this one there. Alright, cool. So we're done. All you just is come here, save as image, then you just save as ultra. You can save as ultra, then you save to gallery because we're enhancing. So let's just get rid of this. Then I'll come to photo PSCC. So we click on plus photo library, then go to where you put the image in. So I'll come to Pixellab because that was where I saved the one I did before. So okay, now let me just show you something I didn't do here. So this one I don't think is necessary anyway. The shadow I don't think it's necessary. Alright, so we just applied that blur there. I don't think it's necessary. So that's shadow. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll click on plus, come to empty photo layer, photo library. So I have this lens flare. The lens flare should be in the description of this video. Not this one. So I'll be bringing a lens flare. I'll just come here, click on here, come to photo layer, photo library. So I'll go to my photos. I want to download. So I have this here. So I may choose to increase the light, position it somewhere around here, because I'll now change the blend mode to screen. I'll come to this. So the reason I'm putting it here, seems there's light coming from that area in the image. I may choose this to increase it. Then I'll click on OK. So I'll click on done, save, but I won't save it because I have it before. So how you save? You click on this save to gallery. Now click on the image. You can now click OK. It's going to save, but let me just save it now. So once it's loading, I'll go to PS Express. Now just go and apply anything I want to apply on it. So I'll come to lights. I'll come to product, tamper with it, come to shadows. I'll increase those shadows a bit. So I'll come to color, to vibrance. No, I'll just leave it. I'll come to if. I'll increase the texture, increase the clarity. I may add green to it to sharpen it. Color adjustment, come to color mix, then this orange, yellow, color mix, then the orange part. I may try to reduce the opacity, then change the brightness to this, then move it towards this direction. Alright, so I can now before and after. So see the feel is giving me, so I can now save my design. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. We'll see you next time.